Welcome to Rajendra Tandon's videos on homeopathy. I am taking up inflammation and pain in the eyes, which generally go together. Inflammation is a localized protection, a reaction of tissues to irritation, injury or infection, and the symptoms are redness, heat, swelling and pain. When inflammation occurs suddenly on exposure to dry cold air and the eyes are bright red, Aconite 30 takes care of them immediately. The lids are swollen, there is sensation of a foreign body. An excellent medicine for inflammation of the eye for chronic conjunctivitis is Apis 200. There is burning and stinging pain, suppurating discharge. In case the discharge is purulent, that is, it hurts the eye, administer Argentine nitricum 200. In cases of sudden violent inflammation in the optic nerve and in retina, when eyes are throbbing, red, protruding and painful, worse on motion, worse on light, Belladonna 200 is the remedy. If the canthi, the corners of the eye are red, fissured and raw, Antim Crude 200 is of assistance. If the pain is in the right eye, right cheek, right ear, there is pain in the liver followed by profuse tears, Chelidonium 30 helps. If there is intense pain in the eyeball running into the head, when the patient dislikes artificial light, Semicifuga 200 is the remedy. When the pain travels from tear ducts, from canthi into temples, across the brow, into the ears, where there is shooting pain in the orbital bones, ciliary neuralgia, entire eye is red, lids are granulated, use Cinnabaris, Cinnabaris 30. Pain which comes in the eyes with onset of influenza, when the head is congested or when the retina is detached, when there is constriction and twitching of muscles, use Gelsemium 200. In case there is pain in the upper orbits, there is conjunctivitis with pus, trachoma with pus, eyelids red, sensitive to touch and air, Hepersulf 200 gives relief. There is a common pain which comes because of sinusitis, which is deep in the eye sockets. Use Calibachrome 200 and get relief immediately. In supraorbital pain and aching in the scrotum, Lycopus Varg 30 is of great help. In marginal blepharitis, when canthi are fissured, eyelids inflamed, Petroleum 200 is the remedy. And in case there is pus in the eyes, pus which is thick and green but flows easily, Pulsatilla 30 is of great help. Homeopathic medicines should be taken dry on the tongue, 4 to 6 pills, no food or liquid should be taken half an hour before or after. The medicine should be kept in good storage, away from heat, sunlight and away from children. they have a long shelf life. In cases of reflex neuralgia of the eye because of toothache or inflammation of the middle ear when the eyeball is tender to touch, use Plantago 30. And if there is eye strain following minute work, headache, burning in the eyes, Ruta 200 should be taken. If the eyes feel too large for their sockets, if there is pain on turning deep in the eyeball, stabbing, throbbing pain in the temple, eye, zygoma, cheek, jaws, teeth, and worse on motion, Spigelia 200 gives relief. When there is pain in the eyes of anemic persons, on looking down, headaches of school children, use Natrum Mur 200. If you feel that the eyes are forced out, when there is severe ache beyond the eyeballs, when there is chronic trachoma, Merck Core 30 comes handy. Choose your homeopathic medicine after careful consideration of the symptoms. You will get relief without doubt. More next time. Thank you for listening to this video.